Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. This property is checking all the right boxes for your home sweet home checklist. Let's go through them. Large multifamily, self-contained income earning side, rooftop balcony, multiple parking space, pet friendly, extra large kitchen, sitting room, family room, etc. Located in the quiet community of Green Acres, St. Catherine, and approximately 30 minutes from Kingston, this home offers a tranquil setting whilst allowing you to commute easily to central locations. If purchasing using a mortgage, the self-contained three bedrooms, two bathroom unit with its own entrance, kitchen, living and dining room will assist greatly with offsetting a mortgage payment. The land area is approximately 8,984 square feet. Guys, let's take a look at this house. And please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 45 million or US $292.3 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.